times of all the lives we started over. With every narrow maze
So,
we're
Felisha,
closer than before.
I pledge to listen to your advice,
We take the road that goes
but seldom take it. I pledge to never keep score, even though I'm winning.
You are Mr. Wonderful, therefore you'll always be successful.
It's settled. I'm getting married.
There you go. And
Cheers.
you'll always listen to her advice and occasionally take it.
Bye.
A toast to Felisha Eugenio, my favorite sister.
And the best Cuban on the planet. Yay!
I promise to try mastering all of my mom's recipes, especially her steak because I know it's your favorite, but I can't make any promises.
Your bride. Ladies and gentlemen, it's my great pleasure to present to you the newlyweds, Mr. Jeffrey Proctor and Mrs. Felisha Eugenio. This marriage today is special because this marriage almost didn't happen thanks to me. So it's ironic that I'm here officiating the wedding. You know, when Jeffrey met Felisha, or when Felisha met Jeffrey, Felisha was in her second year of medical school. And so, like any overprotective father, I had my doubts. And of course, I questioned Jeff's motives. And the thing I admire about Jeff is that no matter how much heat I placed on him and on them, he fought for this relationship. He fought for it. Well, welcome friends and family, loved ones. We are gathered here today in the sight of God, His Son, Jesus Christ, and the Holy Spirit, and in the sight of each other as witnesses to celebrate the marriage of Felisha and Jeffrey. We're here to laugh with them and to wish them well as they begin a new chapter in their life.
My dearest Jeffrey, what I did to deserve you I'll never know. I love your wit, your silliness, your inquisitive nature, and your empathy. You are my gentle giant, my safe space when life gets the best of me, and my very best friend. You believe in me even when I don't believe in myself, and you never shy away from making sure I know how much you admire me. Being with you feels like home. I vow to cherish you and to always make you feel seen and heard. I vow to give you grace to make mistakes, and to hold you accountable, and to create a safe space for us to grow together.
there's still a part of me now that can't believe that I get to marry you.